Bonjour à tous, and today we are going to see about the 8th lesson grammar part 1, and let's see the content. Le passé composé, this we have seen in the previous lesson, that is 7th lesson. If you have any doubt, please refer this 7th lesson. And before that, we will recall the formation for the passé composé. And what is the formation for the passé composé? Auxiliary verb. What are the auxiliary verb? One is être and another one is what? Avoir, and plus past participle of the verb. And what is the endings for the past participle for the first group? er. And what is the endings for that? E accent. For ir is what? I. For re is what? You. So these are the endings for the past participle for regular verbs. And let's see the exercise. Make a verb of passé composé. So put the verbs to the compound past, and you have to know the meaning of this paragraph. So first one, you say Saki Mari Vesamate. It means you know what happened to me in this morning. Akas de la Grave, Ilia, and Grofo Alaka. So because of this strike, there was a large crowd, and like train, it means the train were full, and je n'ai pas pouvoir monter le train, so I couldn't get into the train, and comme ça, so je manquais 5 trains, so I missed 5 trains. Enfin, je décidé de prendre Vinoto, so finally I take a car, and je paye 300 rupees pour aller Kodambakam fort. So I paid 300 rupees to go to the Kodampakam fort, and je n'ai pas avoir the show, so I don't have any choice. Alors je paye la somme au chapeau, so that I paid money to the driver. So this is the paragraph. So this paragraph you are going to change into the past tense, and see the first verb. One is what? Arrive. So arrive, it's a maribe, it is a pronominal verb. And what is the formation for that? And you have to take the which verb conjugation? Auxiliary verb. One is at only. For all the pronominal verb, you have to take at verb conjugation only. So what is the formation for that? First you have to write the reflexive pronoun, and next auxiliary verb conjugation, and next is the past participle of the verb. So here key, that's a common thing only. For that you can use the subject about il or al. So what is the conjugation for il or al? That is est in adverb conjugation. And what is the past participle of the arrive verb? It ends with what? Er. So what is the past participle ending? E accent. So it means you say se qui me arrive ce matin. It means you see what happened to me in this morning. And next, a cast de la grave ilia dash win a groful of God. So here the verb is what? Our verb conjugation. So our verb not in that 16 verb. So you have to use again our verb conjugation only. So the conjugation for our verb is what? A, because of this subject, that is il. So what is the conjugation for our verb? Il, a. And past participle of the our verb is what? Eu. So il, ya, a. Win grand for la gare. So it means because of this strike, there was a large crowd in the station. And next, letra dash été plein. So here the verb is what? At verb. So at verb not in the 16 verb. So again you have to use which verb conjugation means avoir. So for the plural subject, what is the conjugation for avoir verb? Ont. So letra, and what is the past participle of the at verb? Été, because it is irregular verb. So letra ont été plein, it means that the train were full. And next, je n'ai pas poor. So poor also not in the 16 verb. So again you have to use which verb conjugation means our verb conjugation. So here the sentence is negative. For the negative sentence, what is the formation? Je, ne plus the auxiliary verb pa, after that past participle of the verb. So here you have to put n apostrophe because the verb begins with vowel. So the answer is what? Je n'ai pas. And what is the poor verb conjugation? Past participle means pu. So je n'ai pas pu monter le train. It means I could not get into the train. And comme ça, j'ai manqué. So here manqué means it's a missed, to miss. So this verb also not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use which verb conjugation means our only. So here what is the conjugation for our verb? Je, ai, j'ai, and what is the past participle endings for the manqué verb? It ends with er. So the answer is what? E accent. So comme ça, j'ai manqué 5 trains. So I missed 5 trains. And enfin, je décidé de prendre un auto. So here the verb is what? Décider. Décider means what? To decide. So this verb also not in that 16 verb. Again you have to use what? A verb conjugation only. So j'ai and décider and the endings for the past participle e accent give. So often je décidé the prendre and auto. So finally I decided to take a car. And here the verb is what? Payer verb. Payer also not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use a verb conjugation. So j'ai payé 300 rupees pour aller Kodambakam Fort. So I paid 300 rupees to go to the Kodambakam Fort. And next is je n'ai pas avoir. So this is also irregular verb. So what is the past participle of the avoir verb? You only. So the answer je n'ai pas the choix. So I don't have any choice. Alors j'ai payé son chapeau. So here the verb is what? Pay verb. So pay verb, this we have seen in this paragraph. So it's not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use which verb conjugation means j'ai payé la somme chauffeur. So I paid the money to the driver. So this is the first exercise. You have to change into the past tense. And move to the second also same. Method a phrase or passé composé. So put the verb in the compound past. And what are the verb means what? Faire. What is the meaning of faire? To do. And prepare means to prepare. And quitter means to leave. Déposer to drop. And rencontrer means to meet. Bavarder means to chat. Passer means to pass. Déjeuner to lunch. Dire means to tell. And prendre means to take. So these are the verbs you are going to conjugate in past tense according to the sentence. See the first one. Aujourd'hui, j'ai fait un pique-nique avec mes amis. So today, I am going to going for a picnic with my friend. So here the verb is what? Faire verb conjugation. So what is the past participle of the faire verb? F-A-I-T. And faire verb not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use which verb conjugation means avoir verb only. So here, so instead of aujourd'hui you have to change into what? Here, because aujourd'hui means what? Today. And what is the past tense for that? Yesterday. So yesterday in French what? Here. So here j'ai fait un pique-nique avec mes amis. So yesterday I did picnic with my friend. And next, j'ai préparé de la salade et des sandwich. It means I prepare the salad and some sandwich. So here the verb is what? Prepare verb. So prepare verb is not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use a verb conjugation only. So j'ai préparé, and what is the past participle of the prepare verb? E accent again. So j'ai préparé de la salade et des sandwich. So I prepared the salad and some sandwich. And next, j'ai quitté la maison à 8h, so I leave at the house at 8 o'clock. So here the verb is what? Quitter verb. It ends with what? Er. So what is the past participle of the verb? E accent again. So quitter verb also not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use our verb conjugation. So j'ai quitté la maison à 8h. So I left the house at 8 o'clock. And next one. Je rencontre, mon mari me dépose dans le grand jardin. So my husband dropped me in the big garden. So here the verb is what? That is a pronominal verb. So for the pronominal verb, what is the conjugation for that? Have to use the reflexive pronoun, and next auxiliary verb, and third is what? Past participle of the verb. So here the mon mari and dépose verb, it means to drop, not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use our verb conjugation. So mon mari, my husband, what is the subject for him? Il only. So a déposé dans le grand jardin. So my husband dropped in the big garden. And next, je rencontre mes amis. So I meet my friend. Here the verb is what? Rencontrer verb. So this also not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use our verb conjugation only. So j'ai rencontré mes amis. So I met my friends. And nous bavardons. So we were chatting. So bavardons means what? To chat. So the verb ends with what? Er. So this also not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use what? Our verb conjugation. So nous avons bavardé. So we were chatted. And next, nous passons de bons moments. It means we pass some good moments. So here the verb is what? Passé verb. So this also not in the 16 verb. And again you have to use our verb conjugation only. So nous avons passé de bons moments. So we passed some good moments. And next, nous déjeunons midi. So we lunch at afternoon. So here the déjeuner verb also not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use our verb conjugation. So nous avons déjeuné à midi. And next we had lunch. And no this or ever, so we say what? Goodbye. So here the verb is what? Dir verb. So dir, it's an exceptional one. So what is the past participle of the verb? Dit. So no sub on di. So dir verb also not in the 16 verb. So have to use a verb conjugation. So no sub on di or ever, so we said goodbye and a pew, and then je prends le bus pour rentrer. So I take a bus to return. So here the verb is what? Prendre verb, and prendre it's here irregular verb only. And what is the past participle of the verb? Pre. So prendre verb also not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use a verb conjugation only. So je pris le bus pour aller rentrer. So and I took a bus to return. So these are the second exercise you have to use. So you are going to you have to conjugate with the past tense. And third, avoir, vous, être. So it means avoir or être. These are the auxiliary verb. And mettez le verbe au passé composé and put the verb in past tense. And see the first one. Au milieu de la nuit, je dash un bruit. So in the middle of the night, I dash. Attendre means what? To listen a sound. So attendre verb, not in the 16 verb. And again you have to use which verb conjugation means avoir only. So j'ai attendu. So the verb ends with what? Re. And what is the past participle or endings for that? You. So j'ai attendu un bruit. So I heard a sound. And next one, avec beaucoup de difficulty, je dash monter l'autobus. So with lot of difficulties, and I climb up to the, or I get into the bus. So here the verb is what? Monte. So monte verb in that 16 verb. You can use the adverb conjugation. So what is the conjugation for adverb? Je suis, and monte ends with what? Er. So what is the endings for that? Er. So avec beaucoup de difficulty, just monte l'autobus. So I get into the and what is the third one? L'enfant dormir bien. So l'enfant means what? Child, and dormir means what? To sleep well. So dormir verb ends with what? Ir. So what is the endings for that? I. So dormir verb not in that 16 verb. Again you have to use our verb conjugation only. So l'enfant a bien dormi. So the child slept well. And move to the fourth one. Mon fils dash recevoir the bon note à l'examen. So my son received their good marks in the exam. So the verb is what? Reservoir. Reservoir, it is a irregular verb. So not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use which verb conjugation means avoir. So mon fils, it is here masculine singular, so that you can use the verb subject il. So mon fils a, and what is the past participle of the verb? Because this verb is what? Irregular verb. So mon fils received the bon note à l'examen. So my son received a good marks in the exam. And even Louis XIV mourit en 1775. So here mourir means what? To die. So mourir verb in that 16 verb is there, so that you can use adverb conjugation. So Louis XIV, you can use the subject that is masculine singular. So Louis XIV est mort. So what is the past participle of the mourir verb? M-O-R-T, because the verb is what? Irregular. So Louis XIV est mort en 1775. So Louis 14th died in 17. And move to the fourth exercise. Question a bon réponse, check the correct answer. So in the options எல்லாமே same கொடுத்துப்பாங்க, but you have to pay attention for the past participle. Past participle endings தான் நீங்கள் எழுதணும். First one is what? Veda and Vinita. So these two are feminine only. For that, what is the endings for that past participle ending? Es. So the answer is what? Sont allés au marché. So Veda and Vinita went to the market. And next, Mahesh dash a bureau. So இங்கே verb என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா rentrer. So மூணு ஆப்ஷனுமே சேமாக தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, but past participle endings differ. So this, it is used for the masculine singular, and this it is used for the feminine singular, and es, it is used for the masculine plural. So Mahesh, see the subject, Mahesh, it's here singular only, so that you can use the answer a rentrer. So Mahesh a rentrer du bureau. So Mahesh returned to the office. And C1, mon fils et moi, so my son and me. So these are the masculine plural, and the verb is what? Parti. So nous sommes partis, here also parti, here also sommes partis. So the endings for that, es, it is used for the feminine plural, is it is used for the masculine plural, and I it is here masculine singular. So here the subject is what? Masculine plural. So what is the answer for that? Som Pati. So mo fie moa som pati vakos. So my son and myself left for an vacation. And even votre mare vous dash at passe. Here the verb is what? Passe means to pass. So here the conjugation is what? This is the correct conjugation for at verb conjugation. So at passe for Montreal. So your mother and you passed by a Montreal. Montreal is one of the city in France. And next, mes amis. So my friends. The subject it ends with what? Yes. So the subject is what? Feminine plural. So what is the answer for that? What is the endings for that? Yes. So this is the correct answer for that. So mes amis sont restés près de la Seine à Paris. So my friends are stayed near to the Paris. So this is the fourth exercise. You have to choose the correct answer according to the past participle endings. And move to the fifth one. Fat com dans l'example. So do as in that example. See the example. Fini ton devoir. It means what? Finish your homework, and you have to make a question and you have to make an answer for that using passé composé. And see, finir verb not in the 16 verb. You can use the subject what? Tu, because you are making question, so that you can use the subject always tu only. So tu, and you can use a verb conjugation only. So finir verb வந்து அந்த 16 verb இல்லாதனால என்ன verb conjugate பண்ணனா a verb. So tu க்கு conjugation verb என்னன்னா are. So tu are, and what is the past participle of the finir verb? It ends with what? Ir, and the past participle என்னன்னா I. So tu are fini ton devoir. So have you finished your homework? No. First you have to use the negative word no, and next you have to change the subject tu into je. So no, je, and you have to write the sentence in negative only. So ne pas fini mon devoir. So you have to change the adjective possessive also. So into a mo. So no, je n'ai pas fini mon devoir. So no, I did not finish my homework. And see the second one. Acheter des légumes, and the subject is what? Vous. So buy the vegetables. Subject is what? Vous. So you can use the subject first vous, and acheter not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use our verb conjugation. So vous avez, and what is the past participle of the acheter verb? It ends with what? Er, and what is the past participle for that? Ex on the game. So vous avez acheté des légumes. So you bought some vegetable. No, I did not bought the vegetable. So the answer is what? No, je n'ai pas acheté des légumes. So instead of that partitive article, you can change into what? The. And next one, réparer la voiture, it means what? Repair the car, and the subject is what? Il. So réparer verb not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use which verb conjugation is avoir. So il a, and what is the past participle of the réparer verb? It ends with er, e accent give. So il a réparé la voiture. So he repaired the car. No, he did not repair the car. So no, il n'a pas réparé la voiture. So when the subject is il or al, so you should not change any subject over there. And next, C1, dépenser beaucoup de l'argent. So spend a lot of money, and the subject is what? Al. So al, dépenser not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use our verb conjugation. So al a, and what is the past participle of that? E accent they give. So al a dépensé beaucoup d'argent. Here, she spent a lot of money. No, she did not spend a lot of money. So first you have to write the negative word no, and second subject is what? Elle n'est pas dépensé beaucoup d'argent. And next one, aller chez le coiffeur. So go to the hairdresser. So here the subject is what? Il plural. So aller verb in the 16 verb is there. So you can use which verb conjugation? At verb. So for that at verb conjugation il. Ils sont, and what is the past participle of the aller verb? It ends with er, e accent they give, and you have to add endings. So y means it agrees gender and number. So ils sont allés chez le coiffeur. So they went to the hairdresser. No, they did not went to the hairdresser. So no, ils ne sont pas allés chez le coiffeur. And even prepare le dîner. So prepare the dinner, and the subject is what? You. And the prepare not in the 16 verb. Again you have to use which verb conjugation? Avoir. So tu as préparé le dîner. So what is the past participle of the prepare verb? It ends with what? E accent. So tu as préparé le dîner. So are you prepare the dinner? No, I did not prepare the dinner. So no, je n'ai pas préparé le dîner. So here you have to change the subject tu into Sure. So these are the 5 example which is based on the Passé composite topic. If you have any doubt in the past tense, you can refer the 7th lesson video, that is grammar part 1 first exercise. And I hope you all understand this video. And please refer page number 262 and 263. And these are the exercise page number. And have a nice day to all. Thank you. And nice.